Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, sticking on with the All About That Base series, and tonight's pour is going to be on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I have already gone ahead and painted my sides with tonight's base color, and I will be using Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. And as you can see, the square here is fully colored in, which means this is an opaque color, which is great, but I still paint my sides. I just feel like if you paint the sides, there's no risk of the canvas showing through or anything like that. Colors I'm going to be using, once again, are from Pinterest color palettes. It has not steered me wrong yet. Let's hope it stays that way. So tonight's colors are going to be Payne's Gray by Pebeo, followed by Iridescent Silver by Pebeo, and then I have Iridescent Blue Black by Pebeo. There's a lot of Pebeo in today's painting. And then topping it off, Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. So these are my colors. So they look really pretty. And then along with my base, which is the light blue, and I am going back to the flower hair dryer. I just have to. It was really hard blowing out the last piece. It really is so much harder to blow out with that bigger nozzle. So I'm gonna stick with the flower on this one. Maybe there's just a way I have to figure out how to angle it better, maybe not hold it too close. I'm still learning how to use this one. Don't forget, the other one I used for 2.5, 3 years, right? I just got this one 5-6 months ago. So still learning as I go. All right, let's put these back in order. Actually, I'll put them on this side because this is always the side I have my paints on. All right, so I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, the canvas is flooded, the bubbles are popped, and I'm gonna get started. So I think in this one, I'm going to do an L pattern. Get that. Ooh, there's a doggo hair in there. I'm gonna do an L pattern and then a little mini pattern up here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, see, I actually thought about a composition this time, everyone. So let's start with the Payne's Gray. And don't go too close to the edge because you're just going to end up blowing it over the edge anyway. And then here I'm going to do a small one. Let's see how that works out with my little flower hair dryer. All right, then we've got silver. Okay. And iridescent blue black. And topping it off, titanium buff, or titanium buff light, shall I say. All right, interesting colors. Like I said, Pinterest hasn't steered me wrong yet. So let's see. Pop those bubbles. All right, I'm going to start here, and I think I'm gonna blow into the center, or maybe I'll just, I don't know, wherever my hairdryer takes me. Let's just go. Now what? Once again, Pinterest doesn't steer me wrong. I'm telling you, if you guys have trouble coming up with ideas and color palettes and what goes good with what or what goes well with what, go to Pinterest, okay? That's all you need to do is just type in light blue color palette and you'll see all these beautiful colors that would match really well with light blue. And then you just find the matching color in your paints and put them in an order and voila, oh my goodness. So you saw how I screwed up that blow there, but I saved it, luckily. I really, 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 really love this. This is so pretty. And look at the cell action happening here. So like, wow. Not touching this. This ended up really well. I'm gonna blow this part here because there's a blob of blue here. So I wanna blow that part out. Oh, there's a lot of paint in here. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot of blue paint in the center. And a doggy hair has landed in the blue. All right. Not touching anything here. I'm not touching any of this aside from trying to get some of this blue paint out of here. That's a lot of blue paint. I need more paper towel. All right. That is a lot of blue paint. All right. I'm making a mess now. And now because I dabbed that, I created these silly air bubbles. There we go. I love it. Absolutely love, 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 love this a lot. You did notice when I blew this out over here, the flower hair dryer brought up my base paint, of course. So there's some more air bubbles again here. Don't dab with a paper towel. That's the first time I've done that. And I don't like it. It left all these air bubbles in my paint. Okay. I'm not touching it aside from fixing my edges. So I'm gonna do that with my base paint and I will be right back and show you guys a close-up. All right, everybody. I gotta say this is one of my favorites. And I know I say that about a lot of pieces, but I really do really like this one. As I was thinking, I don't know what happened to my L shape there. It clearly didn't. Feels like it's a bat now, right? Like something with wings. Anywho, I've already scraped my drips, as you can see. So let me bring you guys in for a close-up. I am really liking this titanium buff light. And I think I'm going to use it as a base color in my next pour, or one of my next videos upcoming, and I'm going to reverse the colors. So basically, instead of using this light blue base, I'm gonna use the titanium buff base, but use blues with it. I think it'll be stunning. Who just saw the face here? It's like Elvis again. Again, Elvis. Hair, nose, a little bit pointy, mouth. He's singing maybe, but look at it. That is so cool. There's a face in my painting. I did blow that part out after I stopped recording, but look at that. It's so pretty. I love this titanium buff light. All right, let's check it out with the flash on. Alrighty, so in here is the Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Actually, there's 3 Pebeos, but the Iridescent Silver and then the Iridescent Blue Black is in here. That is what is going to shimmer in this painting, those 2 colors. And you can see it shimmers in the blue too. Lots of beautiful shimmer. I don't think I can do a painting without shimmer, really. There's the blue black, you see that? Elvis, well, hello. Look at that, super pretty. I love it. This is gonna be really pretty when I reverse the colors. I'll be so interested to see the colors reversed on this one, absolutely. There you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this color palette in the comments below. If you are interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and claim it. As I mentioned, it's a 12 by 16 inch. Check out all the information in the description below. There's lots of discounts to a lot of products that I use. Check that out in the description below. So that is it for now. Look, you can see my previous painting, my previous painting, my previous painting. Yes, that's right. I did 4 paintings and 4 videos in one night. No, I lied. There's a 5th. Yes, I'm a busy gal. So there was a sneak peek for you. But anywho, this is what I do so that I make sure I have enough videos to post while I am packing up my entire studio and moving to London, Ontario. So that is it for now, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your continued support. Until next time, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.